Welcome back, everyone. Today we're gonna make a Apero Collins cocktail. It's quick and easy, and I decided to make this because I just got a PlayStation 5, so I'm gonna unbox that and enjoy this cocktail. So let's get started.
Add some ice into your cocktail shaker, a shot of APEROL, a shot of gin, and a shot of like triple sec or anything sweet. Add some squeezed lime juice. Shake it up. A straw in a fancy cup. Add your ice. Pour the APEROL cocktail into the cup or glass. This is like tonic, or you can use like a soda water. We're gonna get a little lemon for garnish down the center. Place it carefully, just like that. Look at that, nice and tasty.
You see that? This took about 5 minutes. It's not bad. It's kind of too sweet for me, but if you like sweet drinks, try this out. And if you don't, well, just reach in your fridge and grab a beer. This is always the safest backup plan. Anyways, if you like sweet cocktails, this might be for you, but for me, not really. So, have a great night, everyone. Take care. And I'm gonna unbox my PlayStation 5, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot of updates. And all right, well, I'll see you guys next time. I was gonna make a sweet potato. I mean a super baked potato, but I forgot to buy the bacon, so I had to improvise today. Anyways, I'm sorry. Have a great night. Take care, everyone, and goodbye. And I'll see you next week for the baked potato video, or maybe I'll make a like a Christmas cookies or something. You know what I mean? All right. Take care, everyone. All right. Bye bye.